Hello, this is Yuning Liu. I am a GIS engineer at DeepWalk. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the scoring configuration, which is a new feature that lets you customize how the Sidewalk accessibility score is evaluated and is calculated based on your project's priority. So DeepWalk scoring system evaluates the sidewalk conditions based on the key ADA aligned factor like the cross slope, the clear width, the round slope, deterioration, and the ramp presence. We have already developed the existing sidewalk grading algorithm. You can see it in more details on our website. But now with the scoring configuration system, you will have the ability to adjust how much each factor impacts the overall accessibility score, making your evaluations more tailored and actionable to your project. So here is how to set it up. To configure the scoring in the web app, please start by navigating to the portal and go to the option settings. And you will see the project tab, and there is a scoring configuration section. Please choose to create new scoring configuration. And for example, name the new configuration. Go to the setting here. And here you will start to customize how different sidewalk conditions influence the final accessibility score. So you can see we basically have three parts of the setup. First is general settings, including the weight assigned to the percentage of the deteriorated sidewalk area and the accessibility grades apply for the steps or the stairs existence. These settings will help capture overall sidewalk conditions. So if I choose moderate, grade being 2 for those general condition setup. Next, we can also configure scoring based on the sidewalk type. We have currently the mid-block and the ramp sidewalk. For the mid-block, you can set the adjustable threshold for the cross slope and the round slope and the clear width. Also, these factors determine walkability along the continuous sidewalk segments. You can also set up assign the weight to for individual measurement. There is one optional selection. You can choose to ignore the round slope if you are more focused on other measurement. So if we can set up like 10 being extreme, for the cross slope, ignore the round slope and clear width like should be fine, like wider than 42, and being minor for the width ranging from 40 to 42. We can select the moderate or light for this measurement as well. The other sidewalks type is ramp. You will see the basically same setup with threshold parameters you can tweak, but also have additional options to adjust the grade impact for the missing ramp and the weight for detectable warning surfaces, so to ensure the crossing meet the ADA standard. So we can choose the moderate, for example, for the missing detector warning. We can choose, maybe keep it 2 for any like missing ramp that are found. You can also enable the customized manual check to reflect the site-specific issue. For example, we can activate the like the presence factor to include the trip hazard, and also set up the score weight for the trip hazard tags. This is also one of the most frequently used manual tag among our customers. Other common manual tags also include like the joint spalling or the tree hazard. So if you add tag under the data collection text page, you will see the text list here. So you can try to enable or disable this text to be included in the scoring calculation process. All right, so once your configuration is complete, you can save it and you can return to the home page. And on the side menu, you will see a drop-down labeled Scoring Configuration. From this drop-down, you can select the configuration you just created. So you can see the app will apply your customized scoring settings to the entire project. Depending on the size of the project, the calculation process may take a few minutes to complete. You will see the average accessibility score displayed on here on the home page reflects the overall accessibility of the entire Sidewalk network based on your customized configuration. But what is really great about this feature is that when you select a different scoring configuration from the dropdown, you will see how the accessibility score changes based on the new settings. And so customizing your scoring configuration allows you to tailor Sidewalk evaluation to match the specific goals and prioritize your projects. Whether you are focusing on, for example, the ramp accessibility or trip hazard or other critical condition, adjusting the weight of each factors will ensure that the final score reflects what matters most to you. For example, if your Sidewalk project emphasize ramp accessibility, you can increase the weight of the missing ramp or assigning the highest grades impact on the overall score for missing ramp. You can ensure the issue that have a greater impact on the overall score. So it will help pinpoint the critical gaps in accessibility, especially in the areas where the ramps and detectable warning are absent. Yep. So ultimately, the customizing score configuration will provide you a more detailed and accurate understanding of the Sidewalk conditions. So it will help you to make the data-driven decision and prioritize the repairs where they are needed most. So yeah, to wrap up, our scoring config gives you the complete control of how the accessibility is assessed and prioritized, and to ensure your project goals to shape every evaluation. Please feel free to log into our app today and give it a try. If you have any question or any feedback, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you.